If you're looking to boost the security of your Telegram account, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through how to set up a password for Telegram using the built-in two-step verification feature. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid extra layer of protection on your account, so even if someone gets hold of your SMS code, your chats and data stay secure. Let's dive right in. First up, we're going to set what Telegram calls a cloud password. This is essentially part of their two-step verification system, and it's what keeps your account locked down whenever you log in from a new device. Think of it like having a second lock on your front door. Even if someone gets their hands on the key, they still need to know the combination. To get started, open your Telegram app and head over to Settings. You'll typically find this by tapping those three horizontal lines in the top left corner, then scrolling down until you spot the Settings gear icon. Once you're in, tap on Privacy and Security. This is the section where Telegram offers all sorts of ways to keep your conversations private, but today we're focusing on passwords. Next, look for two-step verification. Sometimes it's called cloud password, depending on your version or device. Tap into that. What this does is add another layer to the login process, so if you ever sign in on a new phone, tablet, or even the desktop web app, Telegram will ask for this password as well as the usual SMS code. That means someone would need both your phone and this special password to get in. Now tap on Set Additional Password. Telegram will prompt you to enter your chosen password twice, just to make sure there are no typos. Since this password is now guarding the door to your entire account, pick something memorable but tough for others to guess. Avoid common words or easily guessed dates. Instead, think of combining unrelated words and numbers, kind of like stacking two different secret codes together. Once your password fits and matches both times, Telegram lets you add a password hint. This part is optional, but I highly recommend it. A good hint can jog your memory if you ever blank out on what you set, but be careful not to make it too obvious. For example, if your password is based on your favorite childhood pet, your hint might just be "my old friend." Now here's a really important part: add a recovery email. This step is crucial, so don't skip it. Your recovery email is what you'll need if you ever forget your password and need to reset it, kind of like a backup key stored with a trusted neighbor. Enter an email that you'll always have access to, double-check for typos, and follow any confirmation instructions Telegram sends to that address. Finally, tap Save or Done. That's it. Telegram might take a moment to apply the changes, and afterward your account is protected by your new cloud password. From now on, whenever you or anyone tries to log into your Telegram from a new device, this password will be required, giving you peace of mind that your chats and data are much safer. If any step feels overwhelming, take your time. Remember, setting this up is well worth the few extra minutes for the security it adds. And don't worry, if something goes wrong or you need to start over, you can always revisit these settings. That wraps up our tutorial on how to put a password on Telegram using two-step verification. If this video helped you, please hit that like button. Got a question or ran into a snag? Drop a comment below. I always love helping out. And if you're interested in more easy-to-follow security tips and app guides, go ahead and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching.